All right, so we are going to look at this equation. It is a literal equation, meaning it has more than one. It has more than one variable. So when you see an equation, I'm sorry, I'm trying to focus the thing. All right, so when you see an equation and it says whatever the equation is, but you have 4x plus b equals 12, and then it's a comma and it says 4x, that means this right here means solve for x. All right, so you may see for b, that means I would want you to solve for b or whatever variable it is. So make sure you pay attention to that. So when you see 4x or 4y or something, that means I want you to solve for that variable. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and solve for x. When you're moving numbers, it may look different for you as opposed to when it is that you're moving variables, but the process is really the same. So we are wanting to solve for x, so we first have to identify where x is and also identify what is furthest away from x. In this case is b. B is positive, so I'm going to subtract b from both sides. All right, and now I have negative b plus 12, or you could have had 12 minus b. Okay, either way it would have worked. And I'm going to show you what it would look like if we left it 12 minus b. It's the same thing. All right, if I subtract b, then I would have gotten 12 minus b. It's the same thing. Okay. Alright, so now I want to get x by itself, and I'm going to divide both sides by 4. Okay, so x equals, so because it's technically like a formula, you could leave it like this. However, you always should simplify, and we can simplify 12 and 4, because 12 divided by 4 is 3. So it would actually turn into 3 minus b over 4. We would have to keep the b over 4 or the negative b over 4, because we can't divide anything or we can't divide a variable by a number, being that we don't know what the value of that variable is. So this would be the final answer.